Yeah, this country, it loves cricket. Let's say Proteas are playing, and that's where one want to go. You check the stadium, how full is it? For kids in Alex, cricket has meant something very different. Without equipment, kids will always play with whatever they can. A year ago, everything changed. DP World really helped a lot with that equipment. It gave our kids, when they go to the field, with that decent equipment, they could perform much, much better.
The BBI initiative in South Africa is a very important one. Many kids don't have access to the facilities and kits that have got a lot of talent. Our role as sponsors of cricket is beyond marketing, but also promoting the game at a grassroots level. Getting the youngsters excited about cricket, getting the youngsters developed, and we as a major sponsor of the game should enhance accessibility for the game so that they can play the game, love the game, and grow the game. And that's what it's all about.
It energized the community, built friendships, and taught kids teamwork as well. Wanderers Stadium is not that far, but it's hard for kids to get there.